In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove all the hyperlink in your Excel file. Suppose this is our name and this is their portfolio. We want to remove the hyperlink from there. There is several ways. Just go step by step. First of all, we want to remove this hyperlink from the cell. So we are selecting this cell and right click of our mouse. Here you can see remove hyperlink of the bottom of the pop-up. Click there. Look, it removes the hyperlink. This is the one way, and another way is if you select all the cell from there and go with the same process, click the right button of your mouse and remove hyperlink. Look, it will remove all the hyperlinks of your file. We are not done yet. If you closely look at this, if we enter any of text there and enter of our keyboard, then it will automatically consider as hyperlink. If we want to don't consider it automatically as a hyperlink, we just need to for this we just need to go to the file option, then you will see more option, then go to the option, then here is proofing. Click there and auto correction option, and you will see the auto format as for type has the first option. Internet and network paths will with hyperlinks apply as work. We are going to uncheck it and click OK. Then OK, and just go to and type anything and enter. Look, this is not considering as an hyperlink. This is how you can remove and edit hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.